Today's video is all about Google Go tutorial. So how Google Go works, it's a lightweighted version of Google designed for faster browsing and low data usage. If you want to browse fastly and on a low data usage, then Google Go is one of the best application for you, and this is the official application Google Go. 1 billion plus have downloaded. Then you just need to search on Google Play Store or App Store. After downloading this application, just click open this. Carefully listen guys, in this Google Go app review I will explain quickly. Once you open the app, you get a simple search bar. You need to select the language, even Urdu or English, whatever you want. All right, you will find here a search bar, voice search, and quick links. Also, quick links to popular sites. It's smooth, fast, and works even on slow internet connection. If you have a slow internet, then you don't need to worry. The Google Go app will work perfectly at your side. If your phone has less storage or need a fast search tool, Google Go app is the perfect choice. That's quick review to get you started with Google Go tutorial today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful app reviews. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye. Best of luck.